That hard clunk you feel shifting from first to second or second to third gear in your Chrysler 9-speed transmission can be fixed right in your driveway by resetting the transmission control module memory. You do not need to visit the dealer or pay for an expensive software update to smooth out those rough shifts. The ZF 9-speed transmission is designed to learn your driving habits and adjust its shift points over time. When this adaptive learning system gets confused or stores bad data from varying driving conditions, the transmission starts shifting harshly and hesitating at lower speeds. To perform the reset, sit in the driver's seat and make sure the doors are closed. Press the ignition button twice to put the car into the run position without stepping on the brake pedal so the engine remains completely off. Once the dashboard lights up, press the accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor and hold it there firmly for at least 15 seconds. This sends a signal to the transmission control module to wipe its current learned shift adaptations. While still keeping your foot pinned on the gas pedal, press the ignition button once more to turn the car off. After the dashboard goes dark, you can finally release the accelerator pedal. Leave the car completely alone for at least 2 minutes. Do not open the doors, press any buttons, or touch the pedals while the computer fully resets and powers down. Start your engine and take the vehicle for a normal drive. The transmission will now be in relearn mode, and you should notice significantly smoother shifts as it builds a fresh, accurate shift profile based on your actual driving style.